Hi guys, and welcome to a new installment I am starting called What I Use. In today's video, I'll be running through a few items I like to bring with me to my DJ gigs, spanning from what sound card I use, what current OS I'm running on my laptop, and what extras I include if something were to go wrong either before or during my set. Hope you guys find this video helpful into possibly including a few of these items into your DJ bag. Let's start with my sound card. I'm currently using a Serato DJ enabled Denon DS1. It's a simple 2-in 2-out RCA setup. On it, it has a switch to cross from phono to line and vice versa, and also a ground loop. It has 2 channels, in and out, and it's USB bus powered, so it doesn't require any outer power source. This card is enabled to work with only Serato DJ, and not Scratch Live. But since it's released in 2015, it has supported every new update, including the new Serato DJ Pro. It is also one of the most affordable alternatives to the Rain products, starting at only $299. With me, I always like to carry a few music backups, if anything were to either freeze or crash on me during mid-set, which is a DJ's worst nightmare. I always have with me 2 SanDisk USB drives loaded with a few gigabytes worth of music and a copy of the Serato DJ Tone. A lacy 1TB Thunderbolt drive with the exact layout of my main computer's Serato playlist, if I were to ever need to play off of a fellow DJ's laptop. And last, an old Apple iPod Touch with a few gigabytes worth of mixes to help me possibly restart my computer or let another DJ jump on. Remember, always back up and have backups of your Serato crates and library. For headphones, I like to use the Sennheiser HD25. These are probably one of the most true-to-life sounding headphones I have ever used. Rich bass, clear highs, what more can you ask for? It also helps that in the realm of headphone prices, these are relatively affordable, starting at about $99. Really my all-time favorite headphones to use. Up next, I have something that's a bit pricey, but still worth having to protect from possible eardrum damage. These are the Sensophonic ER series plugs. They are custom molded and paired with the 15 decibel filters. Your ears are one of the most important things to protect if you want to continue to be a DJ. Prices may vary on models, but it's worth every penny to help you from losing your hearing. For my laptop stand, I've used the original crane stand for over 6 years. It molds into different angles and fits just about everywhere. Really a great thing to carry with you to protect your laptop from accidents or spills. It's always a good idea to bring a backup set of cables with you just in case any were to go bad. In this little pouch, I have a USB to A cable, an Ethernet cord for linking CDJs together, a pair of RCA cables as well as an auxiliary cord if I ever need to hook up my iPod. And last, although not a cord, I like to bring with me a prepaid hotspot in case I ever need to download any song on my laptop. I know you can use your cell phone, but I really don't like to exhaust my phone's battery in case of an emergency. Plus, I only pay when I need it. Next, we have the most important thing of them all. Behold, my MacBook Pro. In this laptop, I've upgraded the internal memory to 16 GB of RAM by Corsair and upgraded the storage to a Samsung 850 EVO 1TB SSD. This laptop houses an Intel Core i7 dual-core and the Intel 400 HD graphics card, and it's running macOS Sierra 10.12.6. As far as the Serato DJ specs, I'm currently using Serato DJ version 1.9.10. Now I don't want to dig deep as to why I'm not using Serato DJ Pro, but I will say this. I like to wait on any brand new update for any possible bugs, but I don't like to be too far behind either. So that's why I'm currently using this version. It works great for me, and that's all that matters. Along with that, I'm running a purchased version of Serato DJ and Club Kit if I were to ever need a backup to my DS1. It's not a bad investment to make. On this mid-2012 model, I have my options of legacy ports, FireWire 800, Thunderbolt 2, and a set of USB 3 ports. And last, we have some items that I rarely get to use, but have just in case I were to ever need to pack them in my bag. So there you go. These are the items I like to pack in my bag. Now, by no means am I saying that you have to have all these things with you to your next gig, but I think what helps be a good DJ is to be a prepared DJ. Hope this helps any new DJs and possibly gives some ideas to you older veterans out there into maybe incorporating some of these items into your DJ bag. Hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one.